Today, you will learn how to multiply columns in Word table. First, make sure your table already has two columns with numbers in them. Now, click in the empty cell where you want the answer to appear. After that, go to the Table Layout tab and click the Formula option. Delete any default text in the formula box and type =, then type Product, or choose Product from Paste Function drop-down menu. In the parentheses, type Left. Finally, click OK. You can see we have successfully multiplied our first column. Now simply copy and paste this to all cells. As you can see, our formula need to be updated manually, so simply select the formula and right-click, then choose Update Field, or simply select and press F9 on your keyboard. If you change any number later, you may need to update the formula again. And that's it. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe.